We've got another winner in the group. His name is Tian. In actual fact, he just made his first $600 sale, and he's been following the exact same blueprint, the step-by-step blueprint that I've been using that's assisted me in making thousands of dollars online. By the way, as a South African. Now, if you want to get access to this blueprint, just give this video a like, comment the word blueprint, and I will email you this blueprint. Right, you look at this. This is Tian's sale. And he's also posted the lady's name who is congratulating for making the decision to not only change her life, but to change her financial future. Now, my friend, if you've ever been looking for a way to start getting out of the rat race, to start changing your life, to start changing your financial future, maybe get rid of some debt, maybe get rid of some stress so that you can start living more, spend more time with your family, then this is exactly what this step-by-step blueprint teaches you, my friend. It guides you every step of the way. In actual fact, inside our program, there you'll get more detailed information as to scale your business, as to how to scale your income to $10,000 a month, $20,000, $30,000 a month. Now, like I said, if you're interested, give this video a like, comment the word blueprint, and let me email you this blueprint.